The accompanying video shows an example of a transport set for electrical apparatus supplying a longwall or heading mining complex. In the presentation tunnel, which has the shape and dimensions of a heading, a monorail track is suspended, which serves as the running track for the set. Due to the length of the suspended monorail track, the transport set was limited to the necessary components that fully illustrate its functionality. Regardless of the configuration, number, and types of electrical apparatus, each transport set comprises a drive unit, coupled means of transport for the suspension, loading, and transport of electrical apparatus, and additional emergency stop devices to prevent rolling or sliding of components. In the presented set, the drive unit is represented by a self-braking sliding device type 11 to 101. The coupled means of transport is represented by a transport pallet type 11 to 316, and the additional emergency stopping device is a rear barrier type 11 to 107. All the aforementioned components are interconnected to form a transport set. The self-braking sliding device type 11 to 101 consists of the following components. TIG dam, 2 pieces. Stepping actuator. Control unit. Actuator controlling the tick barrier, 2 pieces. Limit valve, 2 pieces. The control unit consists of 2 interconnected controllers, controller I, top, and controller 2, bottom. The Type 11 to 101 self-braking shifting device uses alternative hydraulic control, direct control, manually operated directional control or pilot control. In all control versions, Control Unit I is the same, only Control Unit 2 is changed. In the presented drive version, the control unit is made in the pilot version. The advantage of the control used is that the actuator and control block are separated, which allows more convenient operation, especially in situations where the self-braking shifting device is installed high above the conveyor belt path, for example. The maximum length of the multi-channel cable connecting the executive and control block is 3 m. The lever pivot on Control Unit I, to the right or left, determines the direction in which the self-locking shifting device with the conveyor kit will be moved. Controller 2 controls the movement of the self-braking shifting device. To move the transport set, the operator operates the lever of the Controller 2 by pressing it towards the left tick barrier. The left tick dam opens, and when it reaches the extreme position it overrides the limit valve, causing the stepping cylinder to move and the set to be moved. Once the movement is complete, the operator releases the lever from his hand, which automatically moves to the center position. In this position, the brake pads built into the left tick barrier are spread against the rail and block further movement of the unit. The operator then moves control lever 2 in the direction of the right tick barrier. The right-hand tick barrier opens and, having reached its extreme position, the stepping actuator repeats the movement. The above steps are repeated by the operator until the shifting device is moved to the required distance.